Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with the recording stop error and the snipping tool and it reads recording stop, something happened and we will stop recording, wait a bit and then try again. If this continues, send us your feedback. So some several reasons might cause this problem. It could be due to conflicts with other running applications, limited system resources, or potential glitches in the updated software itself. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear cache files. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na %temp and %. Okay, so just type this command keyword %temp, TAMP, and then %. That is all one word and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And then automatic mga kaibigan na magpop-up itong %temp, %. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang lahat itong i-delete. Alright, so gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+E. And then dito sa taas ay makikita mo dito yung delete, or pwede mong gamitin yung right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung delete. Alright, so i-click mo lang yan para ma-delete lahat dito. Alright, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset and repair the snipping tool applications. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, so dito lang sa left side menu and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. And then, dito lang sa installed app. So, i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa search app. So, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung snipping tool. Ayan. And automatic naman na mag-appear kagad dito yung snipping tool, Microsoft Corporations. So, dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So, click mo lang yan. And then, kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung advanced option. And dito lang sa kanyang advanced option setting, so scroll down. And dito sa reset, so kailangan natin itong i-repair. So if this app isn't working right, and then we can try to repair it. So itap mo lang dito yung repair. And wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. Alright, so repair process complete. And next step, so if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan mo na ditong i-reset kung hindi pa rin naging okay yung apps. So itap mo lang dito yung reset, and this will permanently delete this app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So kailangan mo lang itap dito yung reset, and wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Okay, so reset process complete, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next step natin gagawin ay kailangan natin i-check yung kanyang update. And this is the mostly na na-experience ko sa paggamit ng snipping tool. So kailangan itong i-update kapag mayroon tayong bagong update sa apps na to. So all you have to do is open up on the start menu. So click mo lang yan. And then, kailangan mo lang select dito yung Microsoft Store. And once na-open mo na tong Microsoft Store, so dito lang sa taas, dito sa searching address bar niya, ay kailangan mo lang i-search dito yung snipping tool. Okay, so i-type mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung snipping tool app. So, i-click mo lang yan. Ayan. So, automatic na mag-open kagad dito yung snipping tool na apps. Kapag may nakita ka ditong update, so kailangan mo lang yan i-tap or i-click mo lang yan para ma-update po siya. Ayan, then after dito, and dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix recording stop error and the snipping tool. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.